Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. If you're new here, this is a channel where we take a deep dive into some of the most exciting online opportunities, tools, and programs that are making waves in the digital world. My mission is simple: give you clear, honest insights so you can make smart decisions before investing your time or money. Today's review is about something that has been catching a lot of attention lately. It's called the Affiliate Automation Academy. And it promises a very different approach to building an online business, one that takes only 20 minutes a day, doesn't require you to create your own products, and doesn't even need you to put your face on camera. Sounds interesting, right? Let's break it down step by step, so you can see if this is something worth your attention. The Affiliate Automation Academy is built around a system the creator calls affiliate automation. The idea is pretty straightforward, but also quite powerful. Instead of spending endless hours building websites, writing content, or trying to become some sort of social media influencer, this model focuses on using Instagram in a very specific way. The promise is that you can run a full business with only a few minutes each day, simply by posting short viral-style videos and letting the algorithm do the heavy lifting. The videos are only about 4 seconds long, so you're not expected to produce high-quality YouTube documentaries or long podcasts. Instead, you're leveraging quick, eye-catching clips that keep people's attention all the way through, which is exactly what the Instagram algorithm loves. Now, what happens after people watch these short videos? They end up on your profile, and that's where your affiliate link sits. When they click and make a purchase, you get commissions. According to the creator, this method works especially well with high-ticket affiliate offers, which means commissions of $1,000 or more from a single sale. That's where the appeal really comes in. You're not chasing hundreds of small sales just to scrape together some income. Instead, you can make substantial profits with fewer conversions. The beauty of this model is that it removes a lot of the typical barriers that stop people from starting online businesses. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to spend months trying to build a brand. You don't need to buy expensive ads up front. And you don't need advanced technical skills. If you've ever been intimidated by the complicated funnels, landing pages, and tech stacks that most online business coaches preach about, you'll find the system refreshingly simple. Of course, simplicity doesn't mean zero work. The Academy makes it clear that you'll need to put in a few hours at the start to properly set up your automation profile. That means getting your Instagram account optimized, using the templates they provide, and making sure everything is in place. But once that's done, the daily workload drops down to about 20 minutes, which is very appealing if you're someone who has a full-time job, family responsibilities, or just doesn't want to be glued to a laptop all day. The sales page highlights several student success stories. Lucy, for example, made her first $1,000 commission within just 5 days of launching her account, and she had zero prior experience. Ashley reportedly generated $8,000 in her first 29 days without paid ads. Zishan went even bigger, making over $100,000 in his first 8 weeks. Now, obviously, those results aren't guaranteed, and not everyone will hit those numbers so fast, but it does show what's possible when the system is followed closely. One thing I appreciate about the presentation is that it's not pretending to be a magical get-rich-quick scheme. The creator emphasizes that while this isn't about grinding for hours, it does require commitment. You need to follow the steps, set things up correctly, and stick with the daily workflow. That being said, it's still a lighter workload than almost any other online business model I've seen presented at this price point. Speaking of price, the Academy is currently being offered for $27, which is a huge discount from the regular price of $147. They mention that this launch pricing is temporary, used to gather more testimonials before increasing the cost again. Whether or not the price truly goes up later, $27 for what they're offering is definitely affordable compared to most courses in the affiliate marketing space. Many programs charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars just for access to training modules, so this is positioned as a very accessible entry point. Now, let's talk about what you actually get when you join. The Academy provides a complete step-by-step masterclass where the creator shows you over the shoulder how to set up and scale a business using this affiliate automation method. You'll learn how to find the best affiliate offers to promote, specifically focusing on evergreen niches and high-ticket products. They teach you a posting strategy and organic traffic methods that help your content reach more people without paying for ads. There's also a copy and paste video creation system, where they guide you in acquiring, editing, and scheduling viral videos that drive massive traffic without starting from scratch. They even cover account setup in detail, with templates for your Instagram bio and profile optimization to make sure you look professional right from day one. You'll also receive a tech stack guide that lists all the tools and resources you'll need to run things smoothly, most of which are simple and beginner-friendly. What makes this really doable is the daily task framework. They provide a clear 20-minute per day plan, so you're never stuck wondering what to do next. You just follow the routine, post your short videos, engage with the audience in simple ways, and let the automation do the rest. Another important part of the package is the profit maximization blueprint. This goes beyond just posting and hoping for clicks. It teaches you automated DM follow-ups, outbound messaging, and other strategies that can triple your conversion rates without you having to manually chase people all day. This is paired with a full sales automation setup, so conversations, follow-ups, and link sharing can happen while you're sleeping. That's really the dream for most people who want to build passive or semi-passive income online, having a system that runs even when you're offline. On top of the main training, they're also stacking a pretty big set of bonuses. These include a $10,000 workday walkthrough, where you can literally see how the creator manages everything in just 20 minutes per day while generating big results. There's a commission doubling strategy, which shows you how to instantly increase the value of your efforts by promoting high-ticket offers. You'll get access to a private VIP group, which is always valuable for networking and support. And there are case studies, niche research guides, and even Canva templates to make your content look professional without needing design skills. All of this together is valued at several $1,000s according to the sales page. But again, they're packaging for $27 during this promotion. Even if the valuation numbers are a bit inflated for marketing purposes, it's still clear that you're getting a lot of structured content and resources for a very low entry cost. But of course, we need to consider the pros and cons. On the positive side, the system is simple, beginner-friendly, doesn't require advanced tech skills, and focuses on leveraging automation instead of manual grind. The low daily time requirement makes it appealing for busy people, and the potential of high-ticket commissions is very attractive. You're also learning from someone who has real-world experience and proven results. On the downside, it's important to remember that no system is completely effortless. Even if you only spend 20 minutes per day posting, you still need to commit consistently to see results. Instagram algorithms can also change, which means a strategy might need adjusting over time. And while there are testimonials showing big numbers, your own results will depend on effort, consistency, and sometimes a little bit of luck with how quickly your content gains traction. The sales page also tells the story of the creator, Ryan, who went from being a broke martial arts instructor to making millions online. He talks about the challenges of burnout and scaling businesses that required too much work, and how he eventually moved to Bali, simplified his life, and built this lean affiliate automation model. Whether you connect with that backstory or not, it's clear that the system is designed around freedom of time, freedom of location, and freedom from the stress of constant online hustle. So, should you consider joining the Affiliate Automation Academy? If you're someone who wants to build an online business but feels overwhelmed by the traditional methods of funnels, ads, and endless content creation, then this program might be a very good fit. It lowers the barrier to entry, gives you a clear daily roadmap, and focuses on high reward offers. At $27, the risk is minimal compared to most online business investments. To wrap up this review, here's my takeaway. The Affiliate Automation Academy offers a structured, simplified approach to affiliate marketing that can be very effective for people who stay consistent with it. It's not a magic button that prints money overnight, but it's a system that leverages automation and proven strategies in a way that can realistically generate results with less effort than most business models. If you're looking for a side hustle or even a potential full-time income stream that doesn't consume your entire day, this could be worth a closer look. That's it for today's in-depth review here on the Review Scout. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. And if you're interested in checking out the Affiliate Automation Academy for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.